Hi guys, today we'll be looking at tenses. Do you understand English but still feel unsure when using words like have, had, will have? The problem is not grammar. The problem is not understanding the rules clearly in real situations. Now, in the next few minutes, I'll explain when and why we use these tenses in a simple way with real examples. Let's look at the present tense. We use have and has. We use have or has to talk about things that are true right now. The key idea is possession or current state. So we ask ourselves, do I have it now? I'll give you some examples. I have two siblings. She has a new job. We also use this for experiences or situations. I have a problem with my phone. The rule to remember, if it is true in the present moment, we use have or has. Past tense we will look at now. Past tense we will use had. Now, had is used when something is completely finished in the past. Completely finished. The key question is it over now? I'll give you two examples. I had a dog when I was a child. I had a meeting yesterday. This is important, guys. It does not matter what happens now. We only talk about a finished time. The rule, if time is finished, we use had. Now we will look at present perfect. Have had. Now this is where learners get confused. So listen up. Have had is used when something started in the past and is still continuing now, and it's still connected. The key idea is your past, present connection. I have had this phone for 2 years. That's an example. Another example. I have had this headache since this morning. Why not had? Because it's still happening now. The rule, listen up guys, if it started in the past and continues now, we use have, has and past participle. Future perfect tense, we use will have. Now let's look at the future. We use will have when something is finished before a specific time in the future. The key question is, will it be completed before that point? I'll give you some examples. I will have finished my work by 5 p.m. By next year, I will have graduated. So you are looking from the future and imagining completion. The rule here, if something will already be done before future time, use will have. So here is a simple summary. Have equals now, right now. Had equals finished past. Have had is past, continuing now. Will have before a future time. Don't memorize the rules. Focus on the meaning. Ask yourself, is it now, past, connected, or future completion? This is how you choose correctly. Practice one sentence every day, guys, and it becomes automatic.